First of all, it's not actually me standing in the middle of the tracks here in Bangkok, Thailand. There was a little table that I used to install my camera on. I safely watched the train passing from the side of the tracks where other people were watching as well. While walking along tracks is technically against the law in Thailand, there are many places where people's storefronts, little cafes and motorcycle parking spaces are directly along train tracks, without any separation. At the location where I filmed this clip, this is the case. There also is a form of a path made from concrete slabs that is used by pedestrians and motorcyclists alike to access these places. They do run very close to the tracks, but are still at a safe distance from any train. You might want to stop and watch the train though, so the driver knows you have noticed them.